Alright guys, so in that last video, we were given something that looked like this, a little linear function, and we created this t-table over here on the left. So now we're going to use that t-table to graph kind of a caveman style graph here. It's not that sophisticated. We're going to graph this equation, right? So remember, you've got your x-axis and your y-axis. And all these x's and y's over here, this 4 and this 5 here, those are just an ordered pair, 4, 5. Or, it's the ordered pair 2, 4. So if you remember how to plot points, then you are good to go. All we're going to do is plot the points, -4, and, connect them. All right. It'll be real easy for this, this one, because it's linear. Right? They're in a straight line. So I'm going to go over to 4 on the x-axis and then 5 on the y-axis. Oh, I did not draw my my y's. That's okay. So, and you guys are going to be drawing this freehand, I think, on paper, unless I have some graph paper to give you. So it doesn't have to look perfect, but label these little numbers like I did here. Those are the important part. So 4 on the x, 5 on the y, and then you're going to draw that point right there. So that's 4 on the x and 5 on the y, and that's where you draw that point. Also, we're going to do 2, 4. So 4 for y is about right there. So 2, 4 should be somewhere in that neighborhood. 0, 3. 3 should be about right here. And then 0, so we're going to go 0 to the left and right, and then up 3. Okay. -2, 2. It's about right there. All right, so 2 to the left and then up 2. And then -4, 1. 1 can be about right here. -4, 1, something like that. And we're working with what we got here. I probably didn't draw my numbers perfect, but you can tell that these dots will form a nice, clear, crisp line. Boy, I totally missed that point, didn't I? That's okay. You can just draw the points, I think. And I don't know, try to draw the line. Not that big of a deal. All right, for this one is going to have a totally different shape here. So let's plot these points. -2, 1. Let me see here. Boy, I am going to have to, let me label these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll work. So -2, 1, that's going to be my first point. So -2 on the x right here, and then 1 on the y. Okay, that's going to be about right there. That'll work. And then -1, 3. So -1 here. No, -1, 3. And then 3 on the y-axis. Something like that. And then 0, 1. So this is 0 to the left and right, 0 on the x, and then 1. So you can already tell, if we were to connect these dots here, this would not form a straight line like that last one did. Let's do another one here. 1, -5. All right, 1, and then -5 is down here. All right, and then 2, -15. So 2, -15 is going to be, so there's 2, and then down 15, something like this. Now, this is going to be more of a graph that we talk about in Algebra 2, but I wanted to at least show you that it is possible to draw these using this little t-table method, where you just, pick some x's and then get some y values back. I happen to know, because I'm a math teacher, and I teach Algebra 2, but the graph of this is going to look something like this. All right, something like an upside down U shape. All right, notice that these 2 points, they were kind of at the same height. There's always going to be this little symmetry that goes on right here in the middle. Don't worry about that too much. Just do your best at plotting the points and kind of making it look pretty. Okay, that'll be good. Later.